Hi, welcome to Financial Freedom. Let's dive into today's topic, but before that, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.
Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. A pivotal moment as competition intensifies. AMD recently unveiled new artificial intelligence chips at its Advancing AI 2025 event, aimed at narrowing the gap with NVIDIA in a rapidly expanding market. However, AMD's previous attempts to capture market share have largely fallen flat, raising questions about the effectiveness of these new products. In the short term, NVIDIA could experience volatility as investors react to AMD's announcements and their potential impact on market dynamics. Additionally, NVIDIA's CEO, Jensen Huang, announced that the company will no longer factor China into its revenue forecasts due to stringent U.S. export controls. This could lead to increased scrutiny from investors and potentially dampen short-term growth expectations, as the Chinese market has been a significant contributor to technology revenues. On a more positive note, analysts suggest NVIDIA stands to benefit from a massive $1.5 trillion European AI build-out, indicating significant potential upside for its stock. Furthermore, partnerships such as Nebius expanding AI cloud capabilities in Europe using NVIDIA technology further cement the company's market leadership and innovation. While the overall leadership of the tech sector may be shifting, NVIDIA's deep integration in AI applications places it in a strong position for both short-term resilience and long-term growth. Overall, these developments illustrate a complex landscape where NVIDIA must navigate competitive pressures while capitalizing on burgeoning opportunities in the AI sector. Broken a wide and strong short-term rising trend, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent. In the event of a pullback, there will now be support at the ceiling of the current trend, previously broken at $138.97. This level may present a second opportunity for a substantial gain. According to fan theory, $160.32 will likely be the next potential peak level, serving as a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 34.03% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 8.74% to 28.46%. Looking at the long term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 0.423%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 34.60% and positive 3.68% over the next year. In practical terms, this places the future price somewhere between $94.83 and $150.34. Signals have been identified for NVIDIA. The NVIDIA stock displays buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. If there is a downward correction, support is expected at $142.58 and $128.41. A drop below either of these levels would produce sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, and since then, it has experienced a rise of nearly 50%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is identified. However, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices, leading to a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been identified, which may impact its near-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Analysts have given NVIDIA stock a general buy rating. They rate the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong buy rating, NVIDIA stock a good buy. Several short-term indicators are showing positive signs, and the stock has broken through the upward trend, suggesting an even stronger rate of increase. We conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for NVIDIA stock to perform well in the near term.